Oh my God, listeners, you won't believe the seismic shifts happening in the global construction markets right now. If you're even remotely interested in making sharp investment moves, stay with me, because what I've got today could redefine your strategy. Not next year, not next month, but right now. All right, let's drop straight into the United States. The land of big infrastructure projects is on fire, with $1.2 trillion dollars being pumped into modernizing roads, bridges, and energy systems through the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. That's massive. Construction activity is predicted to surge by 11.1% by 2030. Sounds promising, right? But here's the twist. A slight uptick in unemployment in the sector signals we might be transitioning from overheated to steady strategic growth. And let's not ignore the rebound of multifamily housing construction starting 2025. Investors, take note. This could be your window of opportunity in residential real estate, but it's not all smooth sailing. Fluctuating housing permits and renewable energy expansion are adding exciting complexity to the mix. Keep both eyes wide open, folks. Now, Europe. The game here is sustainability, thanks to the EU's hefty commitment of 1.8 trillion through the Green Deal. Think solar panels, energy-efficient designs, and low-carbon materials. The demand for green construction is skyrocketing, and it's creating a gold rush for eco-friendly technologies. But hold on, Europe isn't sprinting. Instead, it's recovering slow and steady. The lingering pandemic aftershocks are slowing short-term infrastructural expansions. But trust me, sustainability investments are a long-term powerhouse. As an investor, focus on companies that think green and act green. Time to pivot to Asia, and oh boy, the headlines are popping. Over in China, manufacturing and infrastructure are humming back to life, with both manufacturing and service PMI levels breaking the key 50-plus threshold. Combine this with the record-breaking 70 billion construction deals under the Belt and Road Initiative, and you've got a country laser-focused on reshaping the global energy landscape. High risk, maybe, but high reward, you bet. Now, South Korea. The situation here is a tricky cocktail. Construction employment is dropping, down by 2.3% year over year in 2024, as the domestic market faces a slowdown. But don't let that fool you. Exports are booming. Autos up 17.8%, computers up 28.5%. So while construction wanes locally, opportunities in engineering and tech-related construction are flourishing overseas. South Korea's export-driven companies, mark those on your portfolio watch list, and Japan. Data's a bit thin here, but stability seems to be the name of the game. A steady economy likely means steady construction activity. Not a thrill ride, but perfect for those who love safe bets. Globally, though, here's the kicker. Tech and sustainability are running the show. Automation in construction equipment is exploding. IoT adoption is rewriting efficiency rules, and the hunger for net zero buildings is insatiable. Want an edge in this market? Follow the innovations, because digitalization and eco-solutions are no longer optional. They're mandatory if you want to stay competitive. Shift your thinking for a second to renovation and interior design. Yes, the feel-good stuff. Homeowners, particularly the baby boomers, are pouring money into remodeling projects. And let's be real, timeless aesthetics, adaptable spaces, and sustainable interiors are more than trends. They're redefining how we live and invest. Eyes peeled for firms at the intersection of functionality and beauty. Here's the bottom line, dear listeners. The global construction and renovation sector is a swirling mix of opportunity and unpredictability. The standouts: green technology, infrastructure expansion, and digital disruption. The wildcards: material costs, inflation, and the ever-shifting labor market. So here's my advice. Get in where innovation leads, diversify across regions, and always keep a pulse on those sustainability trends. Because the construction markets are not just building skylines, they're building the future of your investments. That's it for today, folks. If this podcast got your wheels turning, hit subscribe and prepare for more razor-sharp insights. Until next time, eyes wide, ears sharp, and wallets ready.